In this video, I will show you how to get good servers in Roblox Steal A Brainrot. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, the best way to do this is if you come across to Roblox and log into your account, what you want to do first is use the search box to search for the Steal A Brainrot experience. What you can then do is search in experiences and of course click onto the first one, which is going to be the official Steal A Brainrot experience. Once you've done that and you're on the experience page, what you want to do is click onto servers here, and what you can do is of course you can create your own server if you want for 79 Robux, which I've already done as you can see down here. But if you actually scroll down a bit further, and if you want to find good servers where a lot of people are in, which you can join, then what you want to do is basically you want to leave this box set to descending, but what you want to do is tick the box here which says exclude full servers. Now as you can see, this is going to display servers with 7 people, and the more you load, the less people that's going to be in there. But of course the best and good servers are going to be the ones that have got a lot of people in. Where it says 7 of 8 people, of course that does give you the opportunity to join the server, so we just click join and you'll be able to join a good server on Steal A Brainrot. So that is how to get good servers in Steal A Brainrot on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.